Hello, kids! Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we are learning the ig family words. Let's say the sounds together. I, g, ig. I, g, ig. Great job! Now let's read ig family words one by one. B, ig. Big. Big means large. D, ig. Dig. Dig means to make a hole in the ground. F, ig. Fig. A fig is a fruit. P, ig. Pig. A pig is a farm animal. Ig. Rig.
A rig is the ropes on a ship.
W, ig. Wig. A wig is hair you can wear. Fantastic work, kids! You read all the ig family words. Let's say them all together. Big, dig, fig, pig, rig, and wig. See you again for more phonics fun. Bye!